So I was going to use the webcam, but it's been weird. I mean, this is what it's doing. I'll take a little video now.
Silly camera. Why are you acting like that?
Why is it acting like that?
Why are you acting like that?
I've done a wild camp recently. Didn't take any recording equipment, didn't really know what to expect because it was the first time I'd wild camped, it was the first time I went in a bivvy bag. I can't disclose the location. I just can't disclose the location. I don't want to disclose the location. And this is just a rundown of what it was like, and at the end I'll give my thoughts on what the experience was like, basically. So I'll throw the clips up now, throw the photos up, and then I'll be back at the end and I'll just, yeah. Don't know what I'm doing here. This is the pack that I took with us. So this is my 40 litre, and I'd basically just packed it as if I was doing like a full day, although I was only going out for the night. And I'd literally just, this is the bivvy bag on the bottom there, and the roll mat which I put under the bivvy bag, and I just strapped it on with a couple of bungee cords. It was extremely dark. By the time I'd finished pitching, this is the best photo that I could get, honestly. I didn't want to flash my torch because I was on the edge of some tree line, I'll be honest with you, and I didn't want anyone to see. So the reason I packed up as much as I could, if you can see in the top end of the bivvy, the hood bivvy, this is a Dutch Gore-Tex one. I managed to stuff me pack in there, so there's plenty of headroom for all that. What it's on is just a tarpaulin, just to stop any debris from damaging the bivvy. And this photo here, this is just the view that I had from the bivvy. So this is the sunset that I was trying to do. Yeah, I'll just leave this up for a few seconds. And just coming up next is a video that I shot in the bivvy. I managed to get like an hour's kip. And as normal, I always get like about an hour's sleep and I'm straight up, I'm awake again. I didn't want to use the sleep pad because I wanted more space. But I've had to use it because my back was really hurting. I actually really enjoy it. First time I've ever been in a bivvy, it's a bit tight. I'm normally claustrophobic, I didn't know how I was going to be. But with me face net, with having an event at my face, I'm actually alright. I thought I saw a bear. It was probably just a bush. But I did see rats. I'm pretty sure I saw a rat earlier. So I'm not too keen on that. Someone keeps coming round the bivvy. It's pretty quiet. Some birds have just started chirping there. And because of where we are, there's some livestock nearby, and I can hear, or I could hear, not now, I could hear a lot of geese. So, not the best for like midnight, but yeah. I wasn't going to make any videos while I was out because I just wanted to enjoy the experience, but with this being awake I thought, solid, we'll do something. Try and record something. Well, because of where we are, I can't show exactly like the whole setup. This bivvy was worth it. Second hand, it's a Dutch military bivvy bag. It cost us about 150 quid. It's got a permeable laminate. That's what it's made of. It's actually Spanish. I can't remember who the other contractors were, but the contractor of this bag was Spanish. It's alright.
I've actually managed to pitch. Like when I pitched originally, I laid down, everything seemed fine. But when I actually got in the bag after I'd pegged everything down and I got in the bag, I sort of realised I was slipping down, and it's not until I actually sat up in the bag I realised I'd pitched on a bloody slope. So I keep sliding and sliding. It's not great. I keep on having to prop myself back up, but I just can't bother to get back out and resort it, to be honest with you. It's not terrible now that I've put the sleep pad in. So let's see how I've getting an hour. It's about midnight now. Sunrise is about 6 o'clock. About 6 o'clock. And I'm adamant I'm going to get up at about 5 and pack up, because I want to go catch the sunrise nearby. But I don't want to be in a rush. So take my time. And then I think I've got my card. I've got my card. So I think I'm going to treat myself to a peach melba. And then I might pop down by the Nail Lake and watch some waterfowl for a bit. And then it's off home. But yeah. See you in the morning. Still can't see a thing. It's amazing. This is why I got to wake up there this morning. It's not flashing now. The audio is better, so we'll just use the webcam. First experience, first wild camp, first in a bivvy bag, first solo, and I haven't camped since maybe 2017. I could have been more prepared. It's a good job it was localish. Didn't have to pack any food, that was great. Didn't need to pack much water, that was great. I did contemplate actually going home, but I thought, solid, we're here now, let's do it. Bivvy bags, not for me really, I'll be honest with you. I was really aching just because I couldn't move. Had no room to move. Once I put the sleeping pad in, although I needed it because of my back, once I put the sleeping pad in, that was it. It took off. It just took too much room. I would do it again. Maybe one off. I couldn't see myself doing it constantly. I couldn't do multi-day hikes with a bivvy, to be honest with you, just because I'm old now. I'm old. I can't do it. I just can't do it now. On the plus side, it was fantastic. So normally I have broken sleep. It takes us a while to get back to sleep, but the sound of nature, you could hear owls and other birds and all sorts, and it was just like, there wasn't much wind, so wind wasn't keeping us up. Apparently it rained through the night, and not that I'd realised at all. The bivvy was pretty damp on the outside, completely dry on the inside, absolutely brilliant. But yeah, it's like the sound of nature, just being outside, just constantly just put us back to sleep with ease. I did wake up maybe 4 times, 5 times, but it wasn't a problem because I was just straight back to sleep. I mentioned that I thought I saw a bear, and I really did crap myself. Obviously I knew it wasn't a bear, we don't have bears. I had this feeling someone was going to be standing over us and just watching us sleep. But I mean, you can get that feeling in a tent anyway. It doesn't make any difference. But yeah, it was weird, but it was totally different. Like actually being able to see, kind of like sleeping under the stars and being able to see the stars, but you're still actually covered. Yeah, a hell of an experience. Just because I couldn't move and I ended up really stiff, and I'm still stiff. It's a few days later. I think I went on Monday, Tuesday night or something. It's Friday now. I'm really stiff off that. I couldn't. There's no way I could do a multi-day hike. By all means, if you're thinking about it, and you pretty much lie still the entire night, give it a go. Honestly, give it a go. It was great. It was absolutely fantastic. I think I've waffled on enough. Yummy. You gonna help us edit the rest of this, or are you just gonna get hair all over my desk? Alright then. I'll tell you what. I'll do the editing. Right? Oh, God, jeez, yeah. Get away, man. Get your arse out the shot. Right. That's enough. Right.